The past should not be forgotten. How I to say that this I was adopted in 2014 in influencing country, Serbia. On the other hand, I would will to say that this I usually on how I decide to function in Serbia. I have a high reputation in Serbia. I was a model for the future.